Hola chicas, ¿cómo están? Vamos a empezar con un vocabulario nuevo, ¿sí? Para la unidad. Entonces, vamos a mirar las palabras. Son palabras nuevas, pero palabras que conocen. So, there are new words, but some that you already know. Por ejemplo, el banco. El banco, you might be thinking about el bank, the bank. But in this case, we're gonna use it's gonna mean the bench, as in a bench that you sit in the park. La bombonería, candy store. So you're gonna notice that all the places that we are gonna talk about, that you can visit all these stores, and then RIA. Okay, el buzón de mailbox. Cajero automático. Cajero is that cashier and automatic cashier. So that makes it hard to put together, but it means an ATM. ATM. See? Okay. La carnicería. La carnicería. Butcher shop. El correo. So el correo is a word that can mean different things. It could be talking about the place, the post office. Yeah. Correo could also be talking about the mail you get. And it's also the short version for email, because if you remember, it's correo electrónico. So in a day-to-day Spanish Latin American word, you're gonna talk about el correo when you're talking about the email. Like, ¿leíste mi correo? Did you read my mail? As in, did you read my email? It's just a shorter way to say it. El escaparate, a display window. La estación de metro. This one should be very easy. Metro station. Or subway station. La ferretería. La ferretería. It's your hardware store. Hardware store. And in la ferretería, they sell herramientas. Herramientas, it's tools. Herramientas. La florería. I'm gonna let you get a guess here. Muy bien. Flower shop. La frutería. Easy, easy. Fruit stand. Or fruit shop. La fuente. La fuente, it's two things in Spanish. In this case, we're gonna use it for fountain. But la fuente is also the source, like the source for the news. Fountain, it's the word the translation we're gonna be working with, though. El kiosco. Oh, el kiosco is to dice kiosk. La lechería, tiene la palabra leche, lechería. ¿Sí? The dairy store. Leche, yeah, it's anything that is made with dairy. La manzana. So here, you know what la manzana is. But here is the way we use it in our day-to-day. City block. Are you surprised? Think about why New York is called the Big Apple. Because it's a really big city block, basically. That it's Manhattan. Right? So, manzana, like going around the block, it's vuelta a la manzana. La oferta, the offer. Pastelería comes from the word pastel. Pastry shop. La verdulería comes from the word verduras. Vegetable stand. Oh, our picture didn't work. Sacar el billete. So, for billete, we are used to the word boleto. Boleto, right? Boleto or billete means ticket. And sacar el billete is to buy a ticket. Sacar el billete, sacar el boleto. Okay. Subir o bajar del metro. To go up or down. It's what literally means, but to get on and off the metro or the subway. El balcón, very similar to English. Balcony. La bañera latina es para bañarse con el jabón y el shampoo, ¿sí? Bañarse. Bathtub. Desordenar. Be messy, to mess up. La ducha, para ducharse, como bañarse con el jabón, ¿sí? Shower. Ensuciar. To get dirty. La entrada, muy similar a inglés. Entry. El fregadero es para lavar. Fregadero, the kitchen sink. ¿Sí? El horno, the oven. El lavabo. So here it's very tricky. It's two different words. They're truly used in different parts, but like in different countries. I am not used to either word, but I understand them. El lavabo is the bathroom sink. And if we go back, el fregadero, it's the kitchen sink. So fregadero, kitchen sink, and lavabo is bathroom sink. Okay? El lío, the mess, the problem. La mesita, nightstand. El microondas, microwave, micro. El piso. So in this unit, we're gonna use a lot of like what Spanish people tend to use. So el piso is the same as el apartamento. El piso, el apartamento. To me or to any South American, el piso means the floor. But to Spaniards, el piso is the same as el apartamento, apartment. El refrigerador, muy similar en inglés, refrigerator. Romper, to break. And roto, it's when it's already broken. Okay? So romper is the action of I'm breaking something. Roto, it's when you're talking about something being broken. El sello, the stamp. La terraza, muy difícil, muy difícil. Terrace, sí. Abrir y cerrar el grifo. Abrir y cerrar el grifo. ¿Recuerdan el grifo? The faucet, turn on and off the faucet. El lavabo tiene un grifo. Tocar el timbre. To ring the bell. Aprovechar, I like this word a lot, to take advantage of. Aprovechar. Arreglar, to organize, to fix. Dar una vuelta, remember we talked about vuelta a la manzana? To take a walk, dar una vuelta. Dejar, to leave behind, to leave something behind. Enterarse, to find out about. So like I found out about coronavirus. Me enteré del virus, corona. Hacer los mandados. You might remember hacer los quehaceres. It's basically the same thing. To do errands. Hacer los quehaceres is more towards to do chores, but errands. Hacer los mandados. Ir de tapas. So this is a term that I completely love. Ir de tapas, it's a Spanish thing where people go to restaurants and order tapas. Tapas are basically entry dishes that people order as appetizers, and everything it's meant to be shared. So it's a bunch of little plates where people share different foods. Ir de tapas. And you can go to different restaurants to do the same. Ordenar, to order. Quitar, to take away or put away. Okay, nice work. Okay, so ladies, I'm gonna invite you to come over to a Quizlet class and to go through either flashcards or speller tests, match, gravity, anything you want. When you sign in through the link I gave you, it should record what you did, and it will make me able to see what you've done and give you points accordingly. And so contact me if you have any questions. Ciao, chicas.